how to find and share TikTok profile QR code. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to share your TikTok profile using a QR code but cannot find the QR code that TikTok automatically generates for you? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear from the bottom. Tap on My QR Code option. This is your TikTok profile QR code. TikTok automatically generates a QR code for your profile. If you are on this page, you have found your TikTok QR code. If desired, you can also change the background color. Currently, it's pink for me. Single tap on the pink background color to change it. With each tap, the background color will change. Choose the one that looks best for your QR code. Once satisfied, let's finally share the QR code. There are two ways to share this QR code, and that is either online or offline. For online sharing, simply have someone scan the QR code from this page and they will find your profile within seconds. For offline sharing, take a screenshot of your QR code to save it to your device gallery. Once you have taken it, come back to your home screen, open any scanner app, tap on the gallery icon, then select the screenshot of your TikTok QR code. Now crop the image in such a way that your QR code fits perfectly within the square frame of the scanner app. Once cropped, tap OK. Then you will be directed to your TikTok profile, confirming that your QR code works perfectly. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to find and share your TikTok profile QR code. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.